Hey guys, most of us face a common problem while driving a car, and that is our car gets heat up. Mostly in summers when it is too hot outside, we use our car AC most often, due to which our car gets heat up and sometimes it results in the leaking of the radiators. For this problem, we either call a mechanic to fix the problem or we wait for it to cool down. But today I have a very interesting solution for you. So make sure to watch this video till end to know about this situation and how to handle this situation.
Harry got a problem in the morning while he was leaving for the office. He felt something is wrong with the car, so he got out of the car and opened the boot of the car and put it on stand. After opening the boot, he opens the cap of the radiator and notices that the water level is too low. Then he sat down and noticed that the radiator is leaked. He got really upset with this issue, but suddenly he got an idea. He takes out the psyllium husk from the car dashboard and then opens the sachet and puts it inside the leaked radiator. After that, he goes back to the trunk of the car and takes out the water bottle to fill the leaked radiator. He then fills the radiator with water and then closes the cap of it. Puts down the stand and boot of the car, and his problem gets solved for the time being. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.